In the meantime, what was supposed to be a routine, safe job is turning out to be a pretty dangerous one here in our city. This comes from Metro Police, who tell us that they're now dealing with a rise in delivery drivers who are getting robbed at gunpoint.
Yeah, in fact, take a look at this map tonight. It actually shows all of the locations where those drivers have been targeted this month alone. Tonight at 5:15, our own crime beat reporter Steve Jefferson rode with one of the victims to show us what he's now doing to protect himself. Steve?
One of the robberies happened here on Canewood Lane. The driver was lured here to Cambridge Square Apartments, and believe it or not, it's not his first attack. Mohammed Kante has delivered fast food since 2003 for extra income. He drove us to the spot where a fake customer lured him Saturday afternoon. Here in Cambridge Square Apartments, Kante arrived with a pizza for a man who wanted him to get out of his delivery van.
They sit on top when they call me, say, come. I say, no, you come here. The guy don't have no gun. He comes to me, he say, hey, he's coming, come. I said, no, you pay me here. Then I called my boss. I said, call police. They're trying to rob me.
By that time, the robber had his gun in Mohammed's face, demanding the pizza, his cell phone, and even tried to get his wallet.
The guy said, hey, give me the pizza. The pizza is right here. I took from the bag and give to them. Give me the phone. I give me the phone. It's a wallet. I said, I don't have the wallet.
His two attackers fled on foot and disappeared before police arrived. And unfortunately, it's deja vu for Mohammed because a few weeks ago, someone robbed him just down the street here inside the Ashford Meridian Hills apartment homes. Now, since Mohammed is one of 8 food delivery robbery victims in January alone, he has a plan to try to stay safe.
But I'll make sure I call them before I go out. Yeah.
Make sure it's a real customer.
Yeah.
If you have any information about anyone attacking fast food delivery workers, you can call Crime Stoppers anonymously at 317-262-TIPS. On the Crime Beat, I'm Steve Jefferson.